Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're showing how to repair one of the main leaks on these DeLonghi Magnificas. So if we look at this boiler, you can see how it's been rusting from the leak. The leak is right here, right where this hose connects, or this connector connects here, and there's sometimes the connector goes bad and it'll leak at the seam. But otherwise, you just got to replace the seals in here, the O-rings, and I replaced the O-rings here just for good measure. So that was the problem with this machine. Sometimes these machines will leak right here too, where my finger is. There's an O-ring in there, and those are the main causes of leaks on this machine. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. Now we're a shot of espresso. I'm going to check the steam. With all that steam, and you can see it's no longer leaking. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.